This recipe brings back many fond memories from my childhood, especially when corn is in season. But this time around, I make this meal often for my family with sweet corn or fresh frozen corn. So stick around and let's do this. First, I'm going to fry my fish. You guys, this meal does not require much. You can make this meal with only crayfish and it will turn out tasty. I'm going to fry the fish until golden brown. Meanwhile, I cook the fish before frying. Once that is done, I will scoop it out of the oil and set aside. In the same oil, I will go in with my chopped onions and allow it to fry for 3 minutes. Next, I will go in with my tomato paste and allow it to fry until the sour taste is gone. Once that is done, I will add my fresh tomatoes and scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to season with seasoning cubes and salt. I will mix well to combine and allow it to fry. Next, I will add my cooked honey beans and sweet corn. I will mix well to combine and add my fish stock. I'm going to add more water but not too much. I will cover and allow it to cook on a medium heat. Few minutes later, I check on it and the beans has absorbed the stew and the corn is properly cooked. Next, I will add my fresh baby spinach for more nutrients. You can also skip it if you don't like it. I'm going to add all-purpose seasoning and gently mix until everything is well combined. Once that is done, I will cover and allow it to simmer for 3 minutes. And 3 minutes later, we are done. It turned out so delicious. I hope you give it a try. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye!